Hey guys, this is Jay from Rapid Restoration, and I just wanted to take a couple seconds to talk about hurricane preparedness because hurricane season is right around the corner. Our first step in hurricane preparedness is to develop a household and family plan. You need to coordinate with everyone in your household and or your family to make sure you have a plan in place should a hurricane be in the forecast. It's never too early to develop a household and family evacuation plan. Number 2, locate and secure your hurricane safety materials such as shutters, hardware, and plywood. You always want to make sure that all of your hardware is accounted for so that when and if a hurricane is in the forecast, you can easily get your shutters and or your plywood or any other safety materials in place in a quick and safe manner so that you can move on to the next task to prepare for the hurricane. Number 3, tune up your generator and or other power equipment. You definitely want to make sure that you are doing yearly, if not more often, maintenance to your generator to make sure that it is ready if you need it to power your home or other equipment. It's very important to change the spark plugs, the oil, and just go out and run it every once in a while to make sure that it can last should you need it if a hurricane is in the forecast. Number 4, build your hurricane kit and store it in a safe place. Now you know I already developed a video that has everything that we recommend you should have in your hurricane preparedness emergency kit. And I'm going to drop that link right down below. But you definitely need to store that hurricane kit in a safe place so in case you need it, it's there. Make sure you're updating your equipment in your kit and make sure that that food isn't going bad either. Rapid Restoration is veteran owned and operated, and we are highly trained in emergency preparedness. Should you have any questions or concerns regarding preparedness or anything else relating to your home's restoration or fire, flood, or mold mitigation, call us 772-343-0002 or www.rapidrestorationfla.com.